Okay, so let's continue. Let's continue. Okay, so my system, there is some problem. Fail wheel built for installation. MySQL extension, MySQL database extension. Okay, I'll ask someone else to give me the laptop and I'll show you the out. Okay, since I'm not able to install some library, I have to check like what's the problem. I've opened this, I have uncommented this, right? For you guys, you don't uncomment this, right? You just keep it as it is. Okay. So next, let me run the server. Okay, so this is perfectly showing, right? It's asking for first. Yes. Can I start from beginning? Okay, let's see. Okay, for you it is showing some error. Did you install the My Client? Yes, Sidhu. Did you install My Client? Okay, so can you check your settings.py? Can you show me your send your settings.py? So is it working for everyone? This? Just check. You have to do the run server. So first you have to install. So I'm telling starting from the beginning, right? So what you have to do first, go to the command prompt, and here pip install MySQL client, right? After installing this, you have to run the server. That's it. Okay, so here you take backend SQL reset root. Okay, password you have given Sidhu at the rate 0757. I think password you should give for Okay, you created it. So the password is working fine, right? If you put the password, then it is able to, you can like log in. Okay, okay, fine, fine. Can you, I don't know, this error is some different error you are getting. This is related to database connection. Again, it is showing some problem with the database, right? You guys keep that settings. You keep that settings, right? It is not installing, so that's why I uncommented it. You keep this, right? Okay, so it is showing some database issue. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I can see there is some problem over here. See, you have given some white space. Have you observed this? There's a white space. Over here, you see there is white space, there is white space, this side is white space, there is white space. Check this, Sidhu. This one. Let's open the pen. Don't give a white space over here. Fix this and run it. Hope it will solve. Okay, so it is working? No? Okay, I'll see. Did you create the database? Okay. Exactly same thing you guys have given, na? Okay, so let's change this database. So this is my user underscore register underscore DB. Can you check once any spelling mistake, anything? If you have like any single spelling mistake, then it will not work. This is dot. This is dot. I'll zoom it. Just check once. नहीं ये ऊपर का कमेंट कर देना. This you have to comment it. It's working. What was the issue? Yeah. That I'll do one thing. I'll just copy this there in that document. Working?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so for me it is not working, so I'll just comment it out and bring this back. Right, later I'll show you. I'll ask someone because there's some problem with the installation. I'm not able to install any external libraries. Okay, so next we'll go to the views, and after this, so so this is coming for everyone, right? So all of you getting this output, login and the register, right? Okay. After this, next, first thing we have to extract all the information from here. Whatever user will enter, I wanted to extract all this information from this form. So let's just write it quickly. So first I will say if my request dot method, if it is equal to post, right? If it is a post request, then first we have to accept the username. So let's accept the request dot post dot get. Let's get the username. Okay, after this, let's provide the name, and let me just copy and paste it. So here, next, I'll accept the name. Next, I'll take here mobile. Let's accept email. Let's accept password. Password, right? So we just accepted username, name, mobile, email, as well as the password, right? Working? Done. Can you move forward? Okay. So after this, let's say we extracted information from the form. Next, we have to create a table. So where we create a table? Models.py. Let's create quickly table. Let's say class, and so table I wanted to create, let's say user table. Let's say users table, right? We'll say models dot model, and after this first I'm going to give here name models dot character field. Let's give here a max length as 50. Next, after this, let's take a username. So username also I'm going to take here character field only. Let's take after this, let's take a mobile. Mobile also let's take a character field. After this, let's take an email. For email, I'll take here email field. Okay. After this, let's take password. Okay. Perfect. Here we created a table which is called a user, and after this, here we have given the name. Column name, username, mobile, email, and as well as the password. Then, can we move forward? Okay. Now we have created the model, and next we'll go to the views. And after this, we'll save all the information into our database, right? So first thing, let's say we create a new registration. We created a new registration, and after this, my model name is users, or after this, I'll say users. Next, we have to here we are getting underlines. So let's import it from home dot models, import our users, import users, right? Okay. Now, first thing, let's take here a username equal to username. So let's say, did we take here a username? Yes, we took here username, right? After this, we'll take here a name equal to name. After this, we'll say mobile equal to mobile. After this, we'll say email equal to email. After this, we'll say password equal to password. Write this. Done. Okay, actually this we have to put it inside. I put it by mistake outside. This is the part of your if state. And after this, I just send here a simple response. Let's say HTTP response, user registered successfully. User registered successfully. And here we are getting underlines at the user, this HTTP response. Let's give here HTTP response. Right? This is done. Okay. So now next, after this, we'll look for the login. We'll go to the login, not like views. Now we fix our logins. So first, if you see here, in our login also, we have to extract two informations, right? Email, it is accepting a username, right? Just 1 minute. Yeah, hello. Yeah, Kunde sir. Uh-huh. But Baba went home, I guess. अच्छा घर पे आ गया. Okay. ठीक है, ठीक है. Okay. 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 So now let's continue. So here we are accepting two things. We are accepting a username. We can also accept a Gmail, this email, right? But let's this time accept a username as well as the password. So we'll say if request dot method if equal to post, right? Now first let's accept the username. I hope we'll finish up in like 10 minutes. Username, right? Let's say request dot post dot get. Let's take here username. Now let's take here password. Request dot post dot get password, right? So we extracted from the form username and as well as the password. And now we just filter it out. We are going to filter it out. So I'll say user equal to users dot objects dot get. Now first let's give here username equal to username, password equal to password. And next, after this, we'll say if my user exists, right? If the user is exist, then we'll say here return HTTP response. I'll simply say welcome to, or I'll say welcome back to my dashboard. Else return HTTP response. Invalid username or password. Done? Done, right? Okay. Charan, can I get your laptop? Can I? You have HDMI cable, na? Okay. I'll just remove. Can you join the session? Okay. Which HDMI port? Ah, there, this side. This side. Just a minute. You connect to that what's class. Connect to class. This. Yes. Make a time. Okay, so let's continue. Let's see. Is this voice also? Ah, let's see. Okay, I'll connect. Okay. I- Okay, it's visible. So we are getting underline over here. Let's fix this. So we'll say so connect my mouse. We just take 2 minutes. I'll connect my keyboard. Okay, it is taking too much time. Huh. Okay, so here we are getting here underlines, right? Let's fix this. So I'll say from. This. Okay, this is fixed. Okay, so let's see. Let's see a few things here. Check the model. Model is also looks great. The views is also looks great. And in the login, we extract it, we get it, and we simply sending it. Okay, everything looks great. Now, here do you remember we always write here make migration and migrate. So here also we'll do the same thing. Let's clear my screen first. So first I'll say Python manage.py make migrations. And after this, hit enter, right? After this, next Python manage.py migrate. Hit enter. Then you run the two command. First python.py make migrations. Next python.py make migrate. Run right? Okay. After this, let's do the run server. Let's do the run server. Okay. Now let's follow this link and we are here, right? Now I'm going to do the register here. First, giving here, let's say my username. Let's take I'm giving here Vishal Dev Prasad as my username. Name, I'll say Vishal Prasad. Phone number, let's put any random phone number. Email, let's say v@gmail.com, and password I'm taking 12345, right? Okay, just remember this user. So we are doing the sign up with the username, not like email. Let's click on the submit, and we are getting here user register successfully, right? Now, this time you will notice one thing, we haven't created any super user, right? So from where you will see your database. So first you'll come here, and here you will say show databases, hit enter, and now you have to go to this users database. So you will say use user underscore register underscore db. Now let's say show tables. Now from here you will always see, also see there is one more table which is called home underscore users, right? So let's say, now let's say I wanted to describe about these tables. Let's say describe home underscore users. Or we'll say one thing, we'll say select star from home underscore users. You have another syntax. Okay, now it is showing. It is showing. We will put it into the capital letters. But small letter also it should work. Okay, last time I forgot the colon. Ah, okay, okay, okay. After this, next we'll say select star from home underscore users. Okay, right now this is empty. We haven't saved, I guess. We are not saving here. New register dot save. Okay, now you can see the data is here, right? Okay, next we'll do the login. We'll click on this login. Okay, user matching query does not exist. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll just okay. Password here I have given admin. Okay, welcome back to the dashboard. Right? If there's something you've given something else, invalid username and password. Okay, this is coming. Okay, yeah. Sidhu, Python spelling is just check your Python spelling. This is small spelling mistake in the Python. If you check here, yeah. Ah, okay, okay, fine. Anyway, that you lost, you guys. Is it like is it showing? Is it? Like which part you lost? Like
So we didn't install on that one. We directly did read by users. It is by user. For us, my still has not.
okay, okay. It was not showing for you. Okay, thanks. And what about like you? You doing?
And
What error you are getting? Okay, actually, Sidhu, I was talking with you, and suddenly I understand ki my mic was muted. Okay, okay. So Sidhu, like, can you share me your screen? Like, I'll see, like, why the query is not working. Can you share your screen? I just made it you a host. I made you a co-host. You can share your screen. Command line. Open the command line. Okay. Yeah. See, what is the issue here, Sidhu? Basically, you are writing a query over the database, not a table, right? This command, you are writing a query over the database. So next, what you have to do here, yeah, you have to write here, use database. Yes, yes, do it. Users register underscore DB. Okay. Now show tables. Right here, show tables. Okay. Now you will see there is one home underscore users. Now, right, select or select star. Star means all. Yes, select star. Now you understand one thing. So inside my user register database, we have a different tables. We have authentication group, permission, users, and like so on. Here you will say home underscore users. Keep colon, hit enter. Okay, now you will see here. Now you can do the login here. Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, after this, go to browser. Just select login. Just check what username you have given. Can you just go there? Okay, login successfully. Yes, yes, you got it. Okay, fine, Sadhu. Okay, then this is how you will work with the MySQL database, right? And yes, let's wind up our session. Thank you for joining, everyone. Thank you for giving the Sunday, right? And tomorrow, I guess maybe we'll start from 4 or 4:30. I don't know. So I'll update you tomorrow. For tomorrow, I'll update you, right? Okay, then. So let's wind up, and we'll see you tomorrow, right? Okay. Thank you. Thank you.